In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. If you've ever wondered how to spread the cost of your Airbnb reservation, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you step by step through the process of using Klarna as a payment method. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be all set to make the most of this convenient payment option. To get started, you'll first need to open up the Airbnb official website or, if you prefer, the Airbnb app on your device. Make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. This is important because you'll need to be signed in to make a booking and use Klarna as your payment method. Once you're signed in, it's time to browse for a booking. Let's say you're dreaming of a trip to Tokyo, Japan. Enter Tokyo as your location, choose your preferred check-in and check-out dates, and specify how many guests there will be. After that, go ahead and hit the search button. This will bring up a variety of available stays to choose from. Now, take your time to explore your options and select a property that fits your preferences. Once you've made a choice, click on that property to get more details and then hit the reserve button when you're ready to proceed. This brings us to the checkout page where the magic happens. Here's where you'll decide how you want to pay. Scroll down until you see the payment method section. If Klarna is available in your region, you should see an option that says Pay over time with Klarna. Go ahead and select that option. At this point, you'll be prompted to complete the payment process through Klarna. This might involve logging into your Klarna account, or if you don't have one yet, creating an account. You'll also need to agree to the installment terms. Klarna allows you to spread the cost of your reservation, making it easier to manage your travel expenses. However, it's worth noting that Klarna isn't available everywhere just yet. If you don't see Klarna as an option on your checkout page, it's likely because your country or region isn't currently supported. This can be a bit of a disappointment, but it's always a good idea to check back regularly as Klarna continues to expand its services globally. But if you're in a supported region and everything checks out, you'll find that paying with Klarna is a breeze. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your reservation and enjoy the benefits of paying over time. And that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. Enjoy your travels and the financial flexibility that Klarna provides.